my first time installing a garage door opener. As you can see here, this is a Chamberlain Power Drive 3/4 horsepower opener. Chain drive, very quiet, very powerful. You need a 3/4 horsepower for a wooden garage door such as this one. As you see, lights function and everything. It also has the motion light feature as well, which is pretty cool. And I've adjusted the up travel higher than the old garage door opener, which is right here. As you can see on the floor, it stopped working after about 50, 60 years. And the new one, I've adjusted it so it goes up. The bottom of the garage door is just about the same height as the roof line right here, which will enable me to fit my F-150 in here after it's lifted 2 inches. As you can see, it's bolted in correctly. Before, there was a light fixture device thing up here that the old garage door was plugged into, but I put an outlet there, and it was the junction box was really shallow. It wasn't enough room to put a conventional plug there, so I had to extend it out about 3/4 of an inch. And as you can see, it goes down no problem. Very smooth, very quiet. Another flawless install by Rare Auto Accessories. I'm AC.